We got mail. Hey babe, get over here. Let's open it.
What did we get?
Our new Wandrd Prvke backpack is here. We're so excited to open this. With our camera gear for recording, we started out very small with the GoPro, and then we added to it, and our setup wasn't quite working. When we needed things, it was just a little chaotic, not easy to get to, and sometimes we were in situations where we were on a beach and you didn't want everything to get sandy. So we did a lot of research. There's some other YouTubers that we really like to watch, and we looked to see what they were using, and then we watched a bunch of videos and reviews on it. We finally caved in and we got it. So we're going to show you today the new Wandrd Prvke 41 liter backpack.
So why did we decide on that one? Because the size, it's the biggest one, but we wanted to fit our laptop.
We wanted to fit our laptop, which we have a 16-inch laptop, so it'll fit that.
Yeah, and so that was key, because the other reviews said it would it could fit, but it'd be like a snug fit, and this looked like it slid in easily.
Yeah.
And that was the main factor, I think, for going for the 41 vice the 31.
I think the 31 said it would fit also, but I have to go back and check that. But yeah, I mean, obviously it's a little bigger, so it'll fit more gear. We already have kind of a bit of stuff, and we've got at least one more item that we're planning to add to our equipment. And if we're going to be traveling with it, it's nice to have, a little extra space for some other things as needed. So.
All right, let's do it.
Let's open it up?
Yeah.
All right. You want to do the honor of that side?
I think we found the Della scissors in the house for this. Oh, the box. There we go. Rip it open.
Get into it. And this beauty is our new equipment bag.
So exciting.
Ooh.
So it has a nice
fancy.
I don't know what material that is. It's like feels pretty water resistant though.
Yeah,
like
it is.
Outer.
It's like I remember when the reviews we watched, they called it something like tarpaulin.
So first impression, I thought it was going to be a lot bigger, which I'm glad it's not. I think this looks like a great size. I don't think we'd want to be lugging something around bigger.
Yeah.
But it's really what's on the inside is what drew us to this particular bag.
Yes. So we did get the photography bundle.
Oh, is it separate or is it in there?
Should be in here.
Let's look.
Oh, not that one. From the back.
We take as many videos as we watch. Oh, very nice. So that's the cube, if you can see that, and that's removable, I believe.
Yes, this is removable, and also all these pieces in here are customizable, so they Velcro on, and you can remove them and change them around. And then these straps also Velcro on, so when you put your gear in here, it's just extra protection to hold it in place. And then this does come out.
Oh, I think it's Velcroed in.
Ah, smart.
So it is Velcroed in on the sides. I think so you can take it out. So it can come out, and it looks like you can zip it up.
Yes.
So you can have that as a separate. If you just want your camera stuff, you take it out and want to use it as like a day pack or overnight bag or something like that, and wasn't going to bring camera equipment. Seems good sturdy, nice padded. Yeah. Okay, it goes back together. We'll have to figure that out. I wish we didn't take it apart now. Oh, we'll figure it out. Okay.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. I know this side here, if you're using the camera cube, when you open this, it's the quick access. So your camera would be right there and you just be able to pull your camera right out. So like if you have the bag on you could just sling it over. And then this piece here, this is where the laptop goes. So you could put the laptop in here.
I guess maybe we should see if that fits.
Yeah. The answer we all want to know. Does a 16-inch MacBook Pro fit in the Wandrd Provoke 41? Give it a try. Oh,
looks like it
butter.
fits good. Not too loose in there. Not loose at all. Actually, fits perfect. Yeah.
And it wasn't a tight fit. You probably saw how easy it slid in.
Yeah, it's nice and padded as well. Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
I like it. And then there's also a tablet sleeve if you wanted to put like your iPad in there. And it has this felt material to help protect the screen. Pockets. You could put like our extra batteries in there and maybe SD cards. And then this one here, maybe cords and cables. One of the features that we saw in some of the videos we watched is this pocket here. We're still on the inside compartment. It does connect with the roll top, which we'll show you in a minute. People were very excited about the ability to, instead of having to unzip the zippers, I guess you can just grab these, and I'm probably not in the best angle to do this, but you can just pull them.
Oh, yeah.
And then you can access it this way. Oh, look.
Oh, like another extra, probably attachment to hold it somehow. I'll have to look. Let's see. Comes with the strap. It's an extra shoulder strap.
I don't know.
For this set. Oh no, we'll have to.
It did say that it came with some straps so that you could strap across the front.
Oh, okay, maybe.
So maybe that's if you wanted to attach extra gear to the front or to the bottom. You can do that.
It just has like zippers on it, like you can store something in there.
Yeah. And then this is the straps.
Oh, okay.
For the front.
Yeah.
So you can access this internal compartment here. It is separate from this piece where the camera cube is. So it's separate. And it goes up to the roll top. There's a zipper here. Let's see about this zipper. Oh, okay, so this one, you can see this is how deep it is, about wrist. This one also has the felt lining, so you could put like your phone in there, you could put your sunglasses in there, smaller things that you want to protect. Alright, so that's it for the inside pieces of it. We'll go ahead and take a look at the outer pieces and the roll top. On the back of the bag, it has these daisy chained hoops here, so you could clip things onto it, like carabiners or whatever else you want. And then when you're wearing the backpack on your shoulders, there's also this strap here. I think they call it a sternum strap.
I mean, it goes across your sternum.
Yeah, I mean, sternum strap.
That would make sense.
And I guess you just pull like that to release it. It's my first time doing it, and you can see how easy that was. And then it just clips back on like that. And you can pull from either side. So if you're left hand, right hand, ambidextrous. And then this was one of the things I know they said was new from previous models. This strap here is for when you have your suitcases, you can stick the handle of the suitcase straight through there. And if you look underneath it, there's a pocket. So there's a pocket here, so you could keep important documents. I know one of the things, I think they call it a passport pocket. So you can keep passport, boarding passes, other things you want to keep a little more concealed in there. Okay. The handles, you can carry it as a backpack, obviously. You can also carry it as a tote bag. And the handles magnetically stick together. It says worry less, wander more. There is a side pocket right here. This side pocket has a little clip in it, so you could clip your keys on there. It's just kind of just a little pocket. All right, side pocket here. That is, oh yeah, that's where the side pocket for where you can quick grab your camera out.
Oh, you got a little pocket.
Oh yeah.
You got a little zipper.
A little pocket here. Oh yes, I remember now. This one has these mesh dividers. So you could put extra batteries here, SD cards here, things like that. Smaller things. And then this side, if you carry a tripod around, this is the side where you'd want to put your tripod. So there's a pocket here, and there's the strap here. You can unzip this pocket to give it some more expansion room. And then this unbuckles and is adjustable as well. If you're not carrying a tripod, you could put your water bottle there. You want to do the honors of the roll top?
Okay, so it looks like it's secured by this hook. So it rolls like Velcro. And there we go. And it's actually a lot of room. I don't know if you can see inside, but it's pretty deep. I mean, it's this whole section from here all the way down to about here. So it's
your whole hand to elbow.
yeah.
Ah.
Extra room. And I think that's what makes it the 41, right?
Yeah.
That gives you up to 41 liter
Yeah.
of storage extra. So what would you throw in there? I don't know what you would want to throw in there. If you had like a jacket or something like you wanted to access on the top.
Yeah, or like if you were using this for traveling, you could throw extra clothes in there for like carry on.
Yeah, so you had a quick outfit change if you needed.
Yeah.
Then we already talked about the zipper back here. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's.
I think there's one more feature on the bottom that we didn't talk about right here.
Oh, what's that? What is this feature?
I
feel like you're more adverse.
I did watch a few videos. Yeah.
It's a zipper. It's like a little pocket.
So this bag, all of the bag is waterproof or water resistant. It also comes with a rain fly. So you could put the rain fly over it. And that's the pocket that you could keep the rain fly in.
The camera cube was extra.
The camera cube was extra, and the additional straps that we got was extra. So it was part of the photography bundle, came with them. So you can get the bag just by itself. Amazing! It's all packed. It fits all in here perfectly. Everything's in, and there's still plenty of room left for more. Just for reference, I'm 5'6" and 100 pounds.
I am 6'7", 230.
How tall are you really?
I'm 6'7", 230.